Hey there, welcome back to my channel. In this video, you will learn how to create a beautiful vintage inspired pearl bracelet from the comfort of your own home. This step-by-step DIY tutorial is perfect for beginners and experienced beaders like you. I will show you all the techniques and materials you need to make a timeless piece of jewelry. Now get ready to create a classic bracelet that you can wear or gift to someone. Let's check the material list for the bracelet. We need some golden seed bead size 11/0, some pink pearl bead 6 mm, magnetic clasp or you can use any, beading thread 0.20 mm, and 2 beading needle number 10. Now take about 100 cm long thread for the 6-inch bracelet and attach 2 needles on both ends. Now pick up 3 golden seed beads and clasp and 4 golden seed beads and drop it down to the middle of the thread. Take 1 golden seed bead from the left side and cross it with the right needle through it. So it is create a circle, you can see. Now pick up 5 golden seed beads and 1 pearl bead in both needle. Dear, from which country you watch this video and what is your native language? Please let me know in the comment section. I'm really excited to know. Now pick up 1 golden seed beads in the left side and cross it with the right needle. According to your convenience, you can turn off the subtitle or CC button in your YouTube settings anytime. Now pick up 3 golden seed beads on both needle. Now pick up 1 golden seed bead in the left side and cross it with the right needle. If you have any queries regarding my videos, please feel free to ask me. I would love to answer them. Now pick up 1 pearl bead and 5 golden seed beads in both needle. Pick up 1 golden seed bead in the left side and then step down through the left needle. You can see here, and pull the thread tightly. It will create a V shape. Pick up 5 golden seed beads and 1 pearl bead on both needle. Then pick up 1 golden bead in the left side and cross it with the right needle. According to your convenience, you can turn off the subtitle or CC button in your YouTube settings anytime. Pick up 3 golden seed bead on both sides. Then pick up 1 golden seed bead in the left side and then cross it with the right needle. Then pick up 1 pearl bead and 5 golden seed bead on both sides. Pick up 1 golden seed bead in the left side and then step down through the right needle. So in this way you need to continue this up to your desired length. As you can see, I just completed mine. Now I'm gonna finish my end. So pick up 1 golden seed bead in the left side and then cross it with the right needle. Now pick up 3 golden seed beads and clasp and 3 golden seed beads in the right needle. Now cross the middle bead with the right needle. Now pass your right needle through these 5 golden seed beads like this. Now pick up 7 golden seed beads on the right side. Then pass the needle through this middle golden bead like this. Now step down through this first golden bead you just added in the set of 7 bead. Now pick up 6 golden seed beads. Now pass through this golden bead here. Go through this golden line here. If you are new to my channel, then please consider subscribing. I post videos and shorts in beads jewelry making like seed beads, pearl beads and crystal beads like bracelets, necklace, earring, finger ring, etc. Again pick up 7 golden seed beads and then pass through this middle golden bead here. If you have time, you can check out my shorts videos also. So many easy and aesthetic jewelry making shorts tutorial out there. Again go back through the first golden bead you just added. Now pick up 6 golden seed beads and then pass through this golden bead here. If you found this video helpful and you want to pay something as a gift, now you can donate me by clicking thanks button in my any videos. It's really motivate me to make more videos for you. Now pass through this way, this golden line here. Again I would love to remind you to please consider one like and subscribe just to show love and support. Your one like costs you nothing, but it's really motivate me to make more videos for you. So in this way you have to complete another side like this. Although you are watching me free in the YouTube, but please pay my fees. You can give food to the poor or feed street birds or animals, donate new clothes to the old age home or old people. This will be my fees. Now repeat the step and complete both sides. As you can see, I just completed mine. Now I'm gonna finish the end. Now at this point just tie a few secure knots here. Then cut off the extra tail thread and it's done. So I hope you learned the technique well. If yes, then please consider one like and subscribe. I will see you soon with a brand new one. Till then stay tuned. I love you so much guys. Bye.